Now, religion is supposed to be the means of peace, attaining peace. But in practicality, in reality today, every religion has got a base of fundamentalism and involved in conflict. Can we not make an attempt to create a new world order where there is no religion at all?
What you unfortunately know as religion today is just somebody's belief system. Belief system now, belief system. Religion is not about belief system. All religion started as a matter to turn inward. It is an inward step down. An inward step can be taken only by an individual. It's very intimate thing. Something very concerned only with you. Nothing else to do with anybody else.
What is belief system?
Belief system people started realizing God personality in many different names, forms, symbols, tendencies. And people started believing in various kind of ritual, sacrifice to invoke boon from God and goddesses or from the Almighty One, also in different way. And some people started thinking that God in heaven sitting on the golden chair is a judge. So there are many belief systems. Why there are many belief systems? Because everyone has his or her own sense, temperaments, tendencies to relate the idea of spirituality. So there are many belief systems. Many belief systems are making the world so colorful to me. But it's frequently. Obviously, people fight in the name of religion. Why? Listen to me. A moment you believe in something, you have a new kind of confidence. Confidence without clarity is disaster. Please be more careful. Don't be gullible. The conflict in the world is not between good and evil, though people always claim it is so. It's not true to me. It is always between one man's belief versus another man's belief. So makes religions become problem today. Why? Because we have reduced an inward step into set of belief. If you truly religious, you must be beyond any kind of conflict, both inward and outside.
What we have to do to get away from conflict among disciples of religion?
To awaken your natural intelligence.
Natural intelligence, can you elaborate it now?
An intelligent person is constantly hesitating with life. With every step he wonders whether what he is doing is okay or not. And the very nature of your intelligence is such that if you do something stupid today, tonight, your intelligence will bother you. Why did I do this?
So why are people fighting in the name of religion?
Because you are growing from belief system. You are not willing to make the attempt of going beyond what you have gathered from others. You just looking at life by yourself. That is why there is conflict. If you do not know, there will be no conflict. If you know, there will be no conflict at all. If you pretend to know, there is bound to be conflict.
Thank you now.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
And press bell icon. American